5 things that prevent you from finding love according to feng shui. Finding the perfect partner is not easy. It is not just about making yourself the purpose of seeking love. Sometimes it is necessary to make some changes so that the energy flows, and that is why you have to check these 5 things that could be pushing away the love from your life according to feng shui. This oriental discipline is one of the most used in the world when it comes to leaving bachelorhood, because there are millions of people who claim that its rituals, affirmations, and strategies are the most effective. Feng shui is based on the distribution, location, shape, and color of the spaces or objects in the environment to channel the energy in our life. That is to say, that any misplaced furniture could attract negative energy or block the positive one. Check out these 5 things that could cause your singleness by preventing the love energy from flowing correctly. 1. Mirrors. In Oriental culture, these are receptors of energy, therefore placing them at the entrance of the house is always recommended. However, in the bedroom should never be placed in front of the bed because it can cause a misalignment of your energies, especially love. You can reposition the furniture so that your bed is not reflected in the mirror. 2. The light. Remember that the sun and the moon represent the feminine and masculine side of love, so letting their light enter your room means vindicating the love that is about to come to your life. Pull the curtains up and let the sun illuminate your house at key times, such as noon or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and welcome the moonbeams around 8 o'clock at night or as long as possible. 3. Certain colors. For feng shui, the colors pink and red do not attract love. On the contrary, using too much of these tones tends to attract discord. Better combine them with colors like cream, beige or ivory to balance. 4. Odd objects. To find love, things must go in pairs: 2 cushions, 4 pillows, 6 candles, etc. Everything, regardless of whether it is necessary or decorative, must go in par. Unique objects represent the individuality of people, and objects in tertiary increase the chances of infidelity. 5. Work. If you work from home or often end up solving pending tasks outside the office, never work in your room, as that must be an exclusive place to rest and activate love. Finally, try to keep your room always tidy and clean so that it does not become a negative space and does not accumulate energy against yourself. You do not lose anything with trying, and you could earn a lot. Good luck. Learn how to get a boyfriend. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.